Hey guys, Kenobi-san here today, and I wanted to show you something. If you take a look at it, there's this fireworks ceremony as an event that is currently going on. And if we go to the fireworks ceremony, we see that the event time is 3 hours and 49 minutes remaining. And it's the same event that you could collect your fireworks and you get your different prizes. So it is still going on, right? So we have um, 3 hours and 48 minutes remaining. This is the nonsense as we're talking about when it comes to GTA Arcade and Era of Celestials. Look here, I got this at the first day of the event, and look, it's expired. See, it's expired and the event is still going on. GTA Arcade, Era of Celestials, you will have to do much better than that. Kenobi-san out.